province in the southern part of Mizoram, bordering Myanmar and the area around the Chin state in Myanmar. The cultural dance that we are performing right now is known as Solakia. It literally means the dance of the spirit of the slave. It is a warlike dance performed over the head of the slave at the Iya ceremony. It was believed that the spirits of the slave also dance willingly round the heads with their slayer at the Iya ceremony. Thus, the warriors perform the Solakia dance round and round the heads of the slave for total education and also the transfer of the spirit of the slave to the slayer and ritual tiki. The people to give the ritual chronological gift of the origin of Solakia. It had been practiced by the art morals and the handed down from generation to generation since time immemorial. It was originally a warlike dance, gradually it was developed to religious by making remarkable improvement in its significance or decoration from time to time. One of the significant elements in Mawar is their cultural dress. They made all their own clothes practically. The one worn by the lady here today is known as Sunnah, and therefore worn by men, which mostly